One of the most common questions that we get is why is a centre bearing kit required and what does it actually do? Here we have a 2022 Ranger, 2-piece tail shaft with a Tough Dog centre bearing kit fitted. The idea of the centre bearing kit is to lower the centre bearing down in a way that it restores the geometry of the shaft, lowering the RPM level so that it's back to the factory specification. And that then reduces the vibration level which is experienced after the lift. Now look, not all vehicles have a 2-piece tail shaft. Some of the Land Cruisers are a single 1-piece tail shaft, but a lot of the tie-spec dual cab utes such as Ranger and Hilux and things like that, they do have a 2-piece tail shaft with a centre bearing similar to this one here.